Together now! Heave!
Watch the line, it's tightening up.
Secure the net, quickly!
Crane coming in, stand clear of the lines.
Pull it up now!
Watch the starboard line.
Pull it up now. All right, heave.
Get this moving now. Clear the line, watch the grate.
Lock the cables now. Pull.
In the vast ocean,
Keep the tension.
where
Watch
the
the drum.
horizon dissolves into the morning mist, colossal steel ships
More power,
silently cut
bring it
through
up.
the waves,
All hands,
heading into the
port side
deep
now.
waters. The deep rumble of their engines echoed in the cold air, mingling
those
with the
clamps
wind and the
secured.
heavy rhythm of the ocean's lapping. On deck, fishermen in dark blue raincoats moved swiftly, each cable and winch undergoing a final check. A massive day of hunting had begun. Beneath the deep blue water, another world was in motion. Hundreds of tons of herring
get the
swirled
ports
into
open.
enormous, dense masses, so
We need
thick
more
that
water
even
pressure on
light
the
was
far side.
distorted. On the sonar screen, the schools of fish appeared like giant white clouds drifting in the sea. That was the target, and also the challenge.
taking on
Short
water.
commands rang
We have
out
to
amidst
secure the
the
net
howling
now.
wind. Seine nets were lowered. Floating buoys stretched across the water.
Get that conveyor cleared now. We have to keep moving.
It's jammed. I can't move it.
Just try to keep up with the pace.
Get that net
surface.
secured now.
Sections of nets gradually
cannons
sinking
on.
into
We
the
need more
darkness. From above, the ocean seems to be encircled into a gigantic arena. Below, hundreds of tons of herring began to pile up, moving chaotically, creating swirling silver waves in the depths of the sea. When the hydraulic winch started, the entire ship vibrated. The cables tightened, the metal hissing under the immense pull, Underwater, the massive herring was compressed, swirling like a living storm. The surface of the sea swelled, turbulent, as if a continent were rising from the depths. Then the explosive moment occurred. The nets began to break through the water's surface. An unimaginable mass emerged from the white foam
Almost
and mist.
clear, keep the flow
Hundreds
steady.
of tons of herring were
Right, she's
revealed in the
nearly
deck
empty.
lights and sunlight, gleaming like molten metal. Water poured from the nets, cascading down onto the deck like a waterfall. The cranes locked onto the load. The steel cables vibrated violently. The steel ship groaned under the weight. Then the entire colossal mass was hoisted through the air, slowly, heavily, as if suspending the entire ocean above the water's surface. When the net's mouth opened, space was suddenly swallowed up. Hundreds of tons of herring poured onto the deck like a silver flood. The crashing sounds echoed like thunder. Water,
All right, bring
fish
her alongside.
scales, light,
Easy now,
and
easy.
movement blended together,
Watch the fenders.
transforming the steel deck into a living sea. In just seconds, the entire deck surface disappeared under a dense, constantly moving layer of herring. There was no room for error. Industrial conveyor belts roared. High-pressure water jets sprayed through the thick mist. Fishermen in dark blue raincoats plunged into the sea of fish, navigating the enormous current with shovels, hooks, and their own bodies. Hundreds of tons of herring began to move like living rivers, pouring